In this video, I am going to give you greatest information about early waking, morning in the village. What I am telling you after some time, it must change your life. And I promise if you act upon that information which I am going to give you, and if does not change your life, I'll be 100% responsible for your failure. But the only condition is to act upon that, because if you act upon that information, and that is the saying of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was greatest prophet of Allah, so his saying will never be wrong. This is our belief, and non-Muslims also believe in many of his sayings. So what he says, I think absolutely okay for the Muslims. If Muslims act, not only Muslims but also every person, if acts upon that saying, he must be successful in his career, in his profession, in his studies, and in his every action. But the only condition is to act upon that. And this is early in the morning, it's 6 o'clock. I got up early in the morning, and I am making this video just to give you that great information which will change the whole course of your life morning if you act upon that. Of village can be enjoyed by those who wake up early in the morning. And if you wake up early in the morning and walk in these fields, so the whole day will be happy. And Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says, the success of my Ummah is in early waking. So it means that those who wake up early in the morning, they are successful people. And this is very important from every angle. If you wake up early in the morning, you can enjoy your life very well. Your every activity will be completed on time. If you are traveling, you can reach to your destiny on time. If you participate a function, you can prepare yourself well and you can reach on time, so you can enjoy the function very well. Or if you do any other activity, so if you get up early in the morning, your activity will be completed on time. So this is very useful to get up early in the morning. And this is my message to all the people, to get up early in the morning, particularly to the students and all the people. Whether you are in village or in city, this habit is very important, to get up early in the morning and complete your activity on time. And this habit should be created in the children from early age, to get up early in the morning. As a Muslim, they pray morning and they start their activities. So this is why the morning prayer has been imposed on the Muslims, because Islam likes the people to get up early in the morning and start their day activities. And this is also my habit, whether I am on leave or if it is working day. I get up early in the morning. Now it's 6 o'clock. Now it's 6 o'clock. So up to now I have prayed, and now I have come out for my exercise. So this is very useful, and you can listen to the crying of birds, chattering of birds, and different sounds of birds around you. You can see greenery, and you can see green fields and different places which are very useful for health. So the last message is, you must get up earlier than sun rising. So it means that you should watch sun rising. Now you see, look at that sky, the sun is rising. So this, look at this natural scene, sun rising scene in the morning. This is very, very healthy, very, very useful, very, very attractive. It will please your heart if you watch it every morning at this time, because I feel great happiness when I am looking to the rising of the sun in the morning, and I start my activities earlier, so all my activities are completed on time. And this is my message to all the people of the world, to make this habit to get up early, particularly the students. If you are addicted to getting later, so this is not good. You can change this habit if you practice again and again. So start getting up early in the morning from now, from today, and you will be happy, and your every activity will be completed on time, and you will not be facing any difficulty in your life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Bye bye.